everything stable, ready for a new day. Road clear. City perfectly safe. All medicines stocked, ready to assist at any moment. Strength stable. I can lift double if needed. Spirit's great today. Whole team present, just waiting for the signal.
Warning! Major fire at the colorful toy factory!
Team, depart immediately! Road ahead is clear. Keep pushing forward. I see thick smoke. Situation is serious. Path cleared. Everyone proceed inside immediately.
It's okay, one by one. I'll take care of you all.
Keep your distance. I'll suppress the large fire first. I hear cries for help. I'm going up to the 3rd floor now. Hold steady! Don't let it explode! I found the trapped group! Hold on, I'm bringing you out! Go quickly, Rover! I'll hold back the fire! Form a line. Don't push, just stay calm. I've got it! Quickly move the robots out of the area! All clear. No one seriously injured. Area safe. Fire is under control.
Thank you, Super Vehicle Squad! You're amazing!
Wait! The weather's changing too fast! This isn't normal! What kind of storm is this?
I am Shadow Crane. This city will be mine.
Team! Prepare for a high-level emergency! Careful! The wind's getting stronger! I'm coming! Don't let it fall on the road! Everyone! The city is in real danger! No hesitation! Whole team, proceed into the city now! Road clear! Keep moving forward! Everyone inside! This is a dangerous storm! Hold on for a few seconds. Truck, assist me! I've got it! I've got it! Everyone up there is safe!
Don't be scared, come inside! I'll take you somewhere safe!
Good job, little one! Stay here! Something's wrong! This isn't a natural storm!
This city abandoned me. Now it's my turn.
Careful! This lightning has unusual energy! I'm controlling its fall, truck! Assist! It's okay. No one got hurt. Keep your distance. I'm adjusting it. Upstairs now!
It's okay, little ones. You're safe here. Don't go outside.
Team, prepare! The most dangerous phase is about to begin! Someone's trapped on the bridge! Move fast! I've got it! Don't let anyone near this area! It's okay. I'm keeping you safe. Just lean on me. I can cover it. Pull! Got it! Bridge temporarily stable. Cruise ship in danger! Get there fast! Get there fast! I've got it! Rover, pull the rescue rope! Rope's fixed. Pull! Truck! Ship stable. Evacuate in groups.
It's okay. You're all safe now.
Not done yet. We're next mission! Next mission! Big fire! We need to split up! I'm clearing the way. Move deeper inside.
It's okay, little ones. Come in here. I'll take care of you right away.
Focus on extinguishing the main fire. Don't let it spread. Still a rescue signal to the east. Keep moving. I'm coming. Don't be scared, little one. Careful, careful. This area is about to collapse.
It's okay, little one. Your leg will recover soon.
Hold your position. I'll reduce the heat in the central area. Good synchronization. The fire is weakening. We handled 3 missions in a row. Shadow Crane. Definitely behind all this. There's a large energy source at the old factory. If he's really there, we must act immediately. Path cleared. Let's head to the old factory. Everyone tired, but this is when we need to be strongest. It's pitch black inside. I see strange purple light. Enter through the side door on the left. The main entrance might be booby-trapped. Everyone hold formation. This is where he's hiding.
Careful! This place shows signs of recent activity.
Proceed slowly. There's something very powerful ahead. Everything in here is reactivating, not naturally. Behind this door, something very heavy is there. That's a cat! The Shadow Amplifier!
Dark energy rapidly increasing. It's drawing power from the storm.
You finally arrived.
Shadow Crane, you don't need to destroy the city. Stop this! Stop!
when I was forgotten in the shadows?
There's a control panel behind it. I'm going now. Careful! The factory is about to collapse!
One cable cut, but the machine's still running.
We didn't abandon you. We want to help.
You've been lonely for too long. We can fix everything.
No one understands my pain.
Stay away from the center. The machine's about to overload.
Found it! Key is in that corner. Shadow crane! Ugh. Stop! You can still turn back.
No one understands my loneliness.
Got it! Flash, ready? Maid power neutralized.
It's over! Destroy the energy core! What have I done?
No one is abandoned. You deserve friends. When we work together, nothing is impossible.